Hello dear students, welcome to a short video lecture on Sailing the Byzantium, the first of the two Byzantium poems by William Butler Yeats. If we study the biography of Yeats, among the many interesting factors, we can locate three aspects: his interest in the occult, and there was a keen awareness of the old age into which he was advancing. And as an Irish patriot, he was angry at the changes in Ireland. Such feelings prompt him to think of a shift. It can be a figurative shift into some mystical destination. And this destination he identifies as Byzantium. What is the meaning of the word Byzantium? We can locate three different strains of meaning. The geographic meaning: it's an ancient Greek colony. It was founded by a man named Bias. In later antiquity, it was Constantinople, and today it is known as Istanbul. It is a place where art, literature, and culture flourished. The second meaning of Byzantium is historic. It refers to the Byzantine Empire, which is presented in the map here. The Byzantine Empire was a vast and powerful civilization with origins that can be traced to AD 330, when the Roman Emperor Constantine I dedicated a new Rome on the site of the ancient Greek colony of Byzantium. And the third, a figurative meaning: the history of Byzantium, that is exotic, filled with mystics, wars, and political infighting. And the word Byzantine became synonymous with anything characteristic of a city or empire, from architecture to intrigue. Some ideas from Sailing the Byzantium. This was published in 1928. Let's locate the three main ideas in the poem spread out into four stanzas. We have Yeats' definitive statement about the agony of old age and the imaginative and spiritual work required to remain a vital individual. This we have in the first stanza. The second stanza: is there a solution? Yes. For Yeats, the solution is to leave the country of the young and travel to Byzantium. That's stanza 2. Stanzas 3 and 4 bring to us the expectations in Byzantium. Here, he can meet the sages in the city's famous gold mosaics, who could become the singing masters of his soul. The sages will appear in fire and take him away from his body into an existence outside time. When this happens, he could, like a great work of art, exist in the artifice of eternity. Once he is out of his body, he will never again appear in the form of a natural thing. Rather, he will become a golden bird sitting on a golden tree, singing of the past, present, and future. Now let us consider them.
That is no country for old men. The young, in one another's arms, birds in the trees, those dying generations at their song. The salmon falls, the mackerel crowded seas. Fish, flesh or fowl, commend all summer long. Whatever is begotten, born, and dies. Caught in that sensual music, all neglect. Monuments of unaging intellect. An aged man is but a paltry thing. a tattered coat upon a stick, unless soul clap its hands and sing, and louder sing, for every tatter in its mortal dress. Nor is their singing school but studying, monuments of its own magnificence. And therefore I have sailed the seas, and come to the holy city of Byzantium. O sages standing in God's holy fire, as in the gold mosaic of a wall, come from the holy fire, burn in a gyre, and be the singing masters of my soul. Consume my heart away, sick with desire, and fasten to a dying animal. It knows not what it is, and gather me into the artifice of eternity. Once out of nature, I shall never take my bodily form from any natural thing, but such a form as Grecian goldsmiths make, of hammered gold and gold enameling, to keep a drowsy emperor awake, or set upon a golden bough to sing to lords and ladies of Byzantium, of what is past, or passing, or to come.